Come with me as I restore this Gibson Bass 800. Let's get this preamp sorted. Got some hum issues. Okay, so no one should ever have to see the inside of one of these things. We had some problems with the humming and noise when it was being played, so I had to flip the input phase, and that seemed to take care of it. So now it is, someone else capped it, and some capacitors have been falling out of it. But anyway, though, it's quite the pain to get back together. This is just another... Oh, thanks for ruining that fucking shit. Okay. Fucking balls. Alright, here we are. We've got the power amp module of this Gibson something or other. And I couldn't find a schematic or anything about this amp. So I ripped the insides out, put in a 700 watt power amp module into the old chassis. Alright, so I have to take the speaker out in order to mount the power amp chassis in here, because you can't take the back off. I love this thing. I love it so much. Now the speaker won't come off. So I have the most adorable little pry bar ever. So cute. Shit. Fuck. Ugh. I don't like the smell of this thing. The inside of this box smells like a like old man. It smells like an old man's sadness. It's like all of his like frustrations and broken dreams are in this. It'd be cool if you kicked it. Fucking idiots. Jesus Christ. Okay, no more stupid fucking questions. I am gonna do my thing here. Alright, we're gonna mount this fucking piece of shit in here. If I had children, I would never burden them with a piece of shit like this. It's almost time to light the candle of disappointment here. The old Gibson 800. The Bass 800. I'll give you 800 reasons why you shouldn't get one. Oh, damn! Ooh! Got him! Alright. Whoa, listen to that thunderous bass. And